resolution asking the Committee on Metro Manila Development to look into this. And the reason is that these giant tarpaulins with the face of the Metro Manila Development Authority chairman is uglifying Metro Manila. Actually, it's not just the tarpaulins, but the use of the pink signs, the pink color, which in my position is being used without the approval of the Metro Manila Council. You see, the MMDA is not a local government unit. The head of the MMDA is not the mayor, is not the local executive of Metro Manila. The MMDA chairman must function, and this is in the mandate of the MMDA, in accordance with approvals, policies of the Metro Manila Council. The members of the Metro Manila Council are the mayors of all the LGUs in Metro Manila. So here comes the tarpaulins. Here comes the use of pink traffic signs, and also the U-turn slots, especially along Commonwealth Avenue. So I have some problems with that. First, the signages.
Yan, lalaki nga eh.
Oh. There, in September 2004, the Metro Manila Development Authority chairman, the incumbent chairman now, came out with an MMDA regulation 04-004. And in this MMDA regulation, he stated that one of the prohibited things along the national highways, national roadways, is the setting up of signs, advertisements, especially in the center islands of Metro Manila. He said that this is prohibited because it would distract motorists. The other provision of this regulation is that all traffic signs in Metro Manila, whether local or national roads, should conform with international standards. Now, on the signages, even as early as in August 2006, the Metro Manila governor made a statement that these signs are prohibited. He is against the setting up of these signs. This was in the wake of Typhoon Milenio.